Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Trading Game, the channel where you get all the stock market related news, information and financial education. During the last weekend, I did a video on one indicator which is VWAP, and I showed you the importance of this indicator with the trades which from the Friday, from the last working day of the weekend, which is on Friday. So I showed you the stocks, how exactly they behaved with respect to this VWAP. And also I mentioned that I'll be doing a live trades just for you to understand the theory, because that particular theory is so good that I don't think of any particular indicator which will work you so good with just like that trade. So that's the reason why I just thought of like having giving you some live trades, how we will be catching the stock and how we will be observing that and how to trade those with respect to that VWAP. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please do watch that VWAP training video first. Only after watching that you will be getting some understanding of this video. So please do that, watch, and then come back here so that you will be getting to know what exactly is this and how to do a trade on this. Okay, so we'll be going to the live trades now, and we'll be seeing how exactly the trades went on during the working day. And for the new people here, my humble request is please do subscribe the channel if you are new here, and also please hit that like button and share it with many people. So here we are into the trading page of my account. So as you can see here, the values are live, and we are having a Bajaj Finance chart running now, because currently I'm having that trade, and I already finished one trade which I want to show you with the exactly timings and the details what happened with that. So you can see the order history here, and I'm very sorry that I'm doing the trading in the laptop for the first time, because I generally do all my trades in my mobile itself. So for the first time, so I don't know much about the options here, so I'll be taking bit time to explain this. So you can see here, you can see first we'll be talking about Hindalco, because that is the first stock which I did, and you can see I bought it at 10:12. So first let's go to the Hindalco chart, and we will be talking with respect to the timings also. So you can see first of all, 10:12 a.m. I bought this stock, which is 1500 quantity. Okay, so we will be seeing what happened at that point, 10:12. So let's see. So here you can see, probably I assume that you might have already watched my VWAP video. So if not, please go back there first, watch that, and then come back here, so that it will be easy for you to grab what exactly is going on here. Okay, so you can see. So I bought it at 10:12 in the sense somewhere around this candle. So let me make it as 1 minute, so that we'll be exactly looking at what point we had bought. Okay, so here you can see 10:12. Let's go back here. Okay, just scrolling it back. So at around 10:12 price, so that I'll be showing you the values. So you can see, so 10:12 is this candle, and you can see my buying price, which is at 167.5. So at this candle 167.5, you can see it made a low of 167.45. Whatever the right hand side, the black color, whatever you are seeing, so that is the low, and you can see my buying price was at 167.5, which is the exactly the opening price of this candle. Okay, and you can see I had kept a target of 2 rupees, which is more than 1%, and you can see here it closed at 10:45 at 169.5. 10:45, let me go back here, and I'll be showing you what happened that 10:45. Okay, so in this big candle it got closed at 169.5. Okay, now go back to the 5 minutes or the higher time frame, and we'll see how why exactly I bought the stock there. And I again assume that you have already seen my VWAP video. If not, I'll be giving you the link at the end of the video, so you can just have a look at it. And I definitely prefer please go watch that first and come back so that you will be getting some idea. So what I was telling in the VWAP video is the stock should be continuously above this VWAP line all throughout the day. Whenever you are seeing, so it should be above that, and whenever it comes near to that line, you can buy it. So now you can see here from 9:20, I'm seeing continuously it is on the upside, 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 and when it touched around that 10-12 period, it touched that VWAP line. This is where I had bought that. Okay. So this is where I had bought, and if you watch clearly the video, I said that I will not be keeping any targets for these kind of trades because generally these trades will go very higher. But in this case, I kept it only because of telling you or showing you. That's the reason why I said that for the people who are non-risky traders, like, get out of 1% target is what my thing here. So that's what I kept 1% as my target and which got hit. But if I would have continued with a regular general whatever I do, now you can see here with the one which I had bought at 167.5. Now currently it is running at 172 almost. So you can see here 172. It is already running, and you can see almost it made a high of 173 plus. Okay. So now you got to know the importance of this VWAP, how exactly it gave, like it gave me for a 172 rupee, 170 rupee stock, it gave me almost like a 6-7 rupees if I would have been in this trade. Okay, so this is the importance. So the other stock which I traded today with this theory is Bajaj Finance. As you can see here, I have applied the graph. But earlier, when I explained you about Hindalco, it was during working hours, so it was around that 11 o'clock time frame, whatever it is. And as I was busy with some other thing, I was not able to continue that video. So now it is market has been closed. Now it is almost like a 4:10, 4:15 p.m. Now I'll be explaining why exactly I took this trade and how it went. So you can see here I took a 89 quantity of this buying I did at 3315. Okay, so what time it was? It was at 10:54. So we will see that 10:54 what exactly was happening. So here it is. So around this candle I bought this. The simple reason being you can see this as per our VWAP, continuously the stock was trading above this line and it came and touched here. And for the second time, it came and touched here. Then I thought like this is second time it is taking a support from here and it is going to go up. So I bought this here at 10. What is this time? 10:54. And from there, you can see like how the stock behaved. So you can see initially the stock went up for a while, but later there was a downtrend in the market, and due to which, for the third time, once, second, and third time when it touched, so I got an indication that it is going to go down. But however, when we talk about discipline in the market, as I mentioned earlier, from here 1% will be my stop loss is what was a fixed stop, and my stop loss was around that 75 range, which it got out here. So somewhere here it got out, and from there, one thing I just wanted to show you here. So here I was out when this stop loss got hit, but after that, what happened is the thing which you really need to notice. See here, it fell, fell, fell. From here, it took a U-turn. You observe this thing. I mean, I'm just telling you the importance of this VWAP again. It tried to again touch that, but it was just a miss see here, few points it got missed. Okay, so from there again, you see you see how it behaved. So it touched here, but you see the rejection how it took at exactly at this point. So after taking the rejection, watch the stock how it fell from there. See from here I can say like almost a 330.05 I can say. From there it fell almost 1% from there. Okay, then again it tried to recover here. It came near to that VWAP line, but to see how it is respecting that from again 3300. In fact, this time it was a very big move. It almost like gave you 50 plus points and almost closer on the negative side of the At the end it closed on the negative side. Okay, so this is one thing. So I shown you two stocks for the day, and one was positive but one was the negative. So now the big learning out of this, earlier you might have seen that I have done a Hindalco, so I just want to take it again here. So let me bring that back, Hindalco, because there is one very big learning here. I'll be talking about that. Where is that Hindalco? Now you observe that it closed at the market at the low of the market, because once it crossed, and it continuously kept on falling, and it closed at almost at the day's low. Now coming back to Hindalco, which I shown you earlier. Now you saw that I have bought it at 167.5, 1500 quantity. From there I removed just 1%, which is 169.5, which is very good, because we always have to get some profit and come out of the trade. But that is fine. Now I'll be looking into the chart of this, so that you will be amazed to see what exactly this stock did, and you will be seeing the importance of this VWAP line. So now, as we saw, 1012 was my buying price. So here it was 1012. That was exactly at the line. Okay, from there you can see how the stock ran. So last time when we talked during the market hours, it touched around this 173 and it was coming down here. But after that, so you can see something after that, which is a very big move which came in after that. So you can see here continuously the stock from the afternoon, it continuously went up on the higher side, and the important point here is that it closed exactly at the day's high point, and it made a move of 9%, which is he is the top gainer for the day. And in fact, if you look at it, I was able to catch it at 10 o'clock itself, hardly with a 1 or 2% move. That means if I would have stayed back in that stock, I would have got this another remaining 7-8%. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you, again in the VWAP video I mentioned, again I will be mentioning here is that whenever I do any trades based on this theory, my stop loss will be fixed, which is 1% from the line, but my target will be open. I had mentioned that in the earlier video also. Please watch that video again and again, so that you will be getting all the points about this. So that's the reason, because of this theory, I always keep the target open for VWAP stocks, because it will be having a heavy tendency of going up, and they will be closing at the day's peak point. Okay, so this is a very big learning which I just wanted to let you know, because this theory I have literally tried many times. I have tried and tested it, and it is working very good. So that is the reason why I just wanted to let you guys know. And just to let you know that I'm one thing, just like other people, other YouTubers do, I'm not a regular YouTuber, nor not a regular trader. I will do I'm a part-time trading is my part-time job, and I do have a regular job working, and that's the reason why I may not get the time. And definitely, as I always keep mentioning, I don't have any financial motivations or financial expectations from YouTube. I am here just to teach you people how the market works, and I just want you to be like independent on your trades. Don't believe in anyone. So you should always work on yourself, and you should believe yourself, and you should make the money of your own. So getting the tips from elsewhere, getting the training from elsewhere, it doesn't help. So it is that your hard work and your dedication to the market will help you. Okay, so with that, let me conclude the video. Please do comment in the comment section below how exactly you felt the video, and if you get anything out of it, please do hit that like button, and subscribe the channel if you are new here. And also please don't forget to share this with multiple people, so that they will also get the learnings out of it. With that, let me conclude the video. Thank you so much